What the heck is that? Oh my. Oh, Jesus Christ, that is murdering me.
What is it?
Oh yeah, get out of here. Killed it. Oh, what the heck is happening? Oh my. Oh my. I'm a goner. Oh my god, I'm a goner. Welcome back, everybody. This is Wonderful Waffle. You are watching the 12th Attack of the B-Team episode, The Race to Space.
What is up, guys? It's RotundPanda here with episode 12 of Race to Space, Attack of the B-Team. And today, we are... Holy crap, you are giant.
I can't get through anything.
Just engulfed.
I know I'm a little fat, but I can do it.
Dude, go let something out on that toilet.
Wait,
Yo,
did I burn myself?
You need to...
Oh my god. Get out of here! This is mine!
Today we're going to be making our... Oh, that was a nice little rip.
Oh, the gas is filling up.
Oh!
Oh.
I'm inside of you.
Did I kill you?
The gas is filling up, everybody.
Okay, alright, so let's get to it. Yeah, I did.
Okay. Well,
We're making our room.
we're making our
How do I flush the toilet?
Can't.
So that means like stuff is gonna build up in there forever until it seeps out and like burns everyone.
seeps up and...
Oh no, you can flush it. You just tap it.
Like,
No.
close the door, man.
Dude, that's rank.
Dude, I don't close the door in real life. Why would I close it in Minecraft?
All right, let's do this. We all have our ideas, so we're gonna get to it if we can. What are we all looking for?
Stop.
Don't touch it, Ben.
Okay.
Don't touch
Okay, we
it.
be good.
Okay, how are we supposed to make the colors for the shelves? Do we know?
Hey,
We just can't do that yet.
Oh, what do you
Just use oak.
Girl, that's what
How do we even make them? I need to figure that out. Shelf.
It's this
I
dark
gotta
wood.
Yeah.
We need to get dark wood from the nether tree from Natra. I don't think...
Dark, how you make shelf?
What's the white wood? Mangrove?
Biomes of plenty.
My armor.
I really want to figure out how to do that.
We'll just do that later. We'll just do oak for now. Was that cool?
I feel like that'd be a waste, though. Don't you think?
No.
Nah,
just put
probably
'em
not.
in.
All right.
We'll just put them in.
Oh, you need half slabs.
Yes, you do.
Oak.
God, you should have told me.
Half slabs and oak wood planks.
I'm an idiot.
No, you
Why does my... Okay, that really confuses me. Oh, that's not a half slab. Whoops. Alright.
Is that what I want?
Actually, I'm gonna, like, count and see how many I need.
I only have 15.
Shut up, please!
Shut up your little mouth and...
Yeah.
I need to get rid of that.
What the
I
heck?
only
that in
have 13.
Alright, I need, like...
I'm rocking on that 13
5,
frames.
6.
13 frames.
I need, like, 20, 30 something.
I think
Alright.
I would hope.
Dude, that's gonna be a blunt to make all of those shelves. I'm not LaForging, no.
Alright. Whoops. That only gives us
They're
one.
Great.
Wow.
Shit.
Shut up!
We've said that about every
I know.
episode. I'll put the TV on while I work.
Oh.
Rarf. My dogs are barking. I don't know if you can hear.
18.
Oh, yeah.
6. nutsacks. This is gonna take a while.
Yeah, here, 1 sec.
Nick is leaving our company at this time and place. Alright. Alright.
So, Ben, how are you?
Terrible. How are you?
Loud noise in 3, 2, 1.
Alright.
Loud noise happened. It might have actually not been that loud.
Who knows?
It wasn't. It wasn't.
Okay.
Crap. I should have taken some pictures.
I feel like this is the most active we've ever been on each one of our channels. Like, it's not, because usually it's like one person doing most of the stuff. This time we're each kind of doing it, which is different. Un momento.
I think this is what I had. There we go. There we go.
I'm playing with these glasses on that have blue lens and it's very hard to see.
Oh my god. Alright.
Oh my gosh, I have to like...
I need wood. I'm just gonna like... I'm gonna call... 128.
Oh, shoot. I need oak wood.
I just called 2 wait, what? Oh. Here, do you want a stack?
Yeah.
We need to go get
Gracias.
wood.
Of course. Alright, now I need a table. You know what? I really feel like I wanna... find
I have a picture on my phone in my room, so that's what
a nether tree.
Yeah, once we find those.
Yeah,
I'll be back.
they're
I'll be back. See what I can find.
Girl, say what?
Insert that marker.
15 frames. Get on my...
Alright. Let's see what I can find here. Find some trees, and I want to go towards those blue things on my mini-map.
What do the trees give you?
The wood.
Oh, the blue wood.
No. Flesh. Don't want some flesh.
We should put a crafting table on our little commons.
Yeah, that'd be... no. Ooh, I think it would be cooler if we had, like... What the heck is this?
We will.
Nuts. I really want to know what these things are.
So laggy.
It is very raggy right now.
Raggy?
Raggy.
Oh, I'm
Can
going
you
to
get
a wall.
glowstone?
Huh?
Can you get some glowstone?
Do I have to?
Just get a bunch.
Yeah.
Cobalt ore.
Axe swag. Swag.
There's no trees down here.
Does we have any more wood?
What the heck is that? Oh my.
Nothing.
Oh, Jesus Christ. That is murdering me.
What is this?
Oh, yeah. Get out of here. Wow. What's happening? Yes, I killed it. Oh, what the heck is happening? Oh my. Oh my. I'm a goner. Oh my god, I'm a goner.
What is that thing?
I don't know. What is it? Get out of here.
Oh, dude, you're screwed.
Oh my god, I'm gone. Wait, what is that?
Oh, you're...
I got a ghastly soul. Oh, get on my level. I can't. I got 3. Yeah. I took him on. What? Oh. Hey, I'm a. That is so cool. Wow, I look like a god now. Thank you.
Hey man, you're welcome.
No problem.
Jesus.
We are gonna run out of wood.
Yeah,
Let's go grab some more.
we can.
Yeah.
I need some nether trees though.
I'm almost done making all my
That's like a pig.
Yeah, I
Alright.
saw those things
Yeah, I know
when we
they-
did our nether episode.
Yeah. The oomp. How do you make a table? Dude, you're coming along good, bro.
Oh, I know, bro.
Okay.
I just want to look
I
for those
have no
things.
clue how to make a table. Ah!
Ooh, what's
Oh my
this?
gosh.
What?
The lag is
Hellbark.
unreal.
Hellbark wood.
Oh, dude, that sucks.
I found some trees. I don't know what it is though.
Who needs
Ow!
shelves?
My god, no, not more of these things.
Just get out of there. Look at that. Gone. Storage system. Beast.
Oh my god, I need to eat.
I think I actually do need these. Well, whatever.
Alright, yeah, I think I'm about to come back. Because I'm gonna die out here. That's a phone.
Phone is ringing again.
The world's going to crap.
Ghost wood.
There's a drying rack?
What? Oh no, it's more!
Wait, what's I got a call from. Come on.
Does that look drying? Was that somebody's foot or was that a dog? Okay, that was somebody's foot. Oh, that scared me.
I'm coming for you. I'm watching you from a distance. I don't want to tear your asshole apart.
Great.
Ah.
I want a cookie jar every single day.
Oh, could that be it?
Every step you
No, you should harvest the whole thing. You should like make a farm down there.
That
Whoa. Bloodwood.
Oh, we need cocoa beans, but we don't know where a jungle is, do we?
What do we need cocoa beans for?
Cookie.
Oh, I think I found it! Foosewood. Foosewood leaves.
We don't have any obsidian.
Jesus Christ, what was that?
What?
Are you kidding me? This thing explodes every time I break it.
What is it?
A Foosewood. Aha, I got Foosewood saplings. Come on.
Nice.
Do we have any glowstone right now?
Yeah, there's some.
Dang it, it's not it, but I was close.
Alright, I'm gonna go grab it. Glow up the stone. You put your tools in there?
Heck yeah, I did.
Oh yeah, there it is.
It
Stone
looks so
of the
pretty.
glow.
Oh, is that it? Found it.
You found it?
Yep.
See if you can get some saplings.
I
to-
will,
Oh, yeah,
yeah.
I see you just got some. See if you can get some saplings.
I got it.
You got a
Yes!
potash apple?
How are you seeing this?
It's one of the mods that's in there.
Really?
Yeah. If you look in the bottom right, anytime anyone picks something up, you get a C.
Yeah, I got
What
it.
is that?
What?
Did you get a potash? What is
A
it?
potash?
Yeah.
Potash apple. Tastes a bit like chalk. It's from Natura. Or Naturo. Is it Natura or Natura?
One of the two. Oh, shoot.
Yeah, I got 2 dark wood saplings, so I'm coming back.
I don't have any armor on.
Really?
Yeah, I took it all off. That was a mistake.
Why?
Take care. Okay, put all this back in.
Oh no, there it is. Yeah! Found it.
Wait, Nick, what's that trick that you did with the thing? Like if you hit the question mark.
Oh
Oh,
no.
you have to be in a crafting table.
Nuts!
And then you go on the
Wait,
like,
did I
side,
keep going up?
click on it, and then you just shift click the
Yes.
question mark. So you can make 2.
Yeah, that's what I want. Are you still not being this?
Either.
I think so.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm in. Successfully requested blocks.
Was the Phantom in the Nether?
Yeah. I was freaking out because like there were these things and like I was engulfed in flames and I couldn't do
Press
anything.
F for farts. Did you start the little farm?
Not yet.
There's a tornado outside.
What?
There's a tornado outside.
Oh jeez. Your room?
Yeah, my room.
Farthouse gets wrecked.
Get out. Get out. Get in my room. Get in my room.
Oh jeez.
Oh
Oh my god. Ben, what'd you do? Ben. No. Get outside. Get outside. Oh, no.
Oh my god, no!
No.
Oh Jesus, no, no, no!
Oh, it's in our... Run!
No! Our house! It's going through our house! Oh my god!
Oh, our house is tornado. Nothing. Oh my! I am chasing this thing. Look at it. That's why it was so.
Dude, our land is gonna
This just.
Oh my god!
No, it's not formed yet. It's still forming. It hasn't touched down
We are so lucky.
knew that there could be tornadoes.
yet. I did. I just thought since we were so high up, it wasn't good enough.
Going really fast.
Oh, it's gonna touch down.
Crap, I'm inside of it. I can't get out! No!
Come here, come here.
No!
I don't want to get sucked into it.
Ah, I got it.
Oh crap.
Oh my god.
That is ridiculous.
That was the coolest thing I've ever seen. Oh, it's done now.
It's done. No damage. Minimal
I wonder
damage.
if there's volcanoes.
What do you mean minimal damage? To the house?
To anything. Oh, sick. Dude, I found,
Yeah, nothing by us got damaged, which is good.
That's weird. No, it didn't leave like a...
found another safari net.
No, I think it hadn't touched down yet.
No, I
Like,
definitely
Oh my
Because it was
god.
still, like, we're really high up in the air, so
Wow, that was
that was a
freaking
close call.
awesome.
That was sweet.
All of a sudden, I look at my window and I'm like, what the heck is that? Tornado!
Look at the clouds. They're just still blowing
Wait,
around.
how did that get created?
I have no idea.
What?
The tornado.
They naturally
I'm gonna put the
spawn.
ghastly souls in there. I'm gonna put
I have
flame
no
string
idea,
in
guys.
there.
It was only a matter of time before we encountered a tornado.
Dude, that scared me. I
Ben,
didn't
you're the Phantom still.
The thing is so cool. Yeah, I got the dark wood though.
Okay, does anyone want lamps for their room?
Yeah, I have actually a couple lamps.
I don't.
Like,
I have lantern.
from the furniture mod?
Oh, there's the ghostwood planks. Okay, that's actually cool. So I got both of what I needed.
Dude, that makes me wonder if there's, like, other weather occurrences that happen.
I think there is.
Lightning storm.
Well, that's...
There was one.
Yeah.
When I was going mining in this world, it was just me. There was totally a lightning storm.
Dude.
That was scary. Oh, and one of the best things about this is I float down.
Really?
Yeah, so I can like here, I can like, jump off. Those clouds are still there. That really concerns me.
That was really
Those
cool.
things are going to be there for a while, I bet. That was insane.
Alright, I got 9 glowstone blocks. Alright, so we're gonna about end the video there. We're gonna do a little stuff off camera first.
Really
So-
was gonna be crafting stuff.
Yeah, that was a very interesting episode.
We did not expect that tornado
Oh,
to come.
no,
so that
we-
was,
That
a
was
big
fun. So
process.
our rooms came along a bit.
A bit.
But
I mean,
that
I
was
still
insane.
got a lot of work to do.
Yeah, Ben still has a little bit.
Yeah, you-
I mean, I don't really have too much. I finished this back wall.
yeah, I still have
It's
a little bit
presentable.
of stuff.
Alright, well, that's gonna end this episode. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe. Stay tuned for more episodes that are coming out very soon. You can look at our upload schedule in the About tab. And, yep, just stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching. This is Wonderful Waffle, signing out.
RotundPanda, signing out.
Are you fucking kidding?
Ah! Okay, I'm good.
No.
Oh, That's bad. Oh, you can taste it, man. Close the door.
Wash my hands. That's how nasty I am.